Ian, we're here in Coventry, the home of DMG MORI UK, and today we're going to be talking about one of Walter Tools' his new cutting tools. It's the Drion Tech EP drill. Tell us all about it, please.
The Drion Tech trademark covers our indexable and exchangeable solution of drilling. The D5150 is the latest addition alongside the D4140 and the D5142. The D5150 gives us the ability to increase customers' productivity.
Yeah, tell us all about it, because I know you claim it's possibly your most productive drill in the whole range, and it's a vast range of Walter. So how is this achieved?
The combination of the geometry, the grade and the stability of the design of the tool allows us to increase the penetration rates of the drill and allowing customers to reduce their cycle times.
And one of the many benefits is you don't need to make pilot holes. So for the people maybe unaware, why is that an advantage?
The advantages of obviously not adding a pilot hole in. You don't have the additional inventory, you don't have the additional cycle time, the tool change times, allowing you to come straight to the material, drill the hole that you require, be it 3, 5, 8 times a day, and then your hole is complete.
Yeah, and obviously again about cycle times, we don't want these tools out of the machine for too long. So tell us more about the DS50 interchangeable head.
The DS50 interchangeable head is a twist-on solution, so there's no mechanical fixes involved. What that means is the security and the precision of the joint allows the tool to be indexed within the machine. So if the machine is stopped, it's a very quick change solution, and then your machine's back in production, producing parts to put on the floor.
And when you look at the holder, you can see it's been reinforced. What's the thinking behind this?
So there's some additional features within the holder. Obviously the reinforced body and also the flute configuration, the double angle of the helix allows the better swarf evacuation, one of the main things that can cause some issues within drilling.
Sure, and the other thing, obviously, the pull-outs we get from these types of tools traditionally. So, how have you prevented this from happening going forward? The pulling out of the drill.
Part of the design, there's an anti-lock and a feature. So, as soon as the insert is locked in position, even on retract, the tool can't undo and obviously pull out of the holder.
And there are drills in the market, high feed drills, if you like, but sometimes the surface finish isn't quite as good as you'd expect. I know it's slightly different with this drill.
Yes, there's a combination of things for the D5150 and the DS50 inserts. The first thing is we've got a 158-degree point angle. That allows us to center the tool properly. Once we've got that center engaged, we've obviously got a stable process going forward. That, combined with the margins, allows us to produce holes of tolerance between H9 and H10.
And today we're machining steel.
Yes.
What sort of categories, what ISO materials can we machine using this drill in the various grades?
So at the moment we've got one geometry M, and the ISO materials that we can machine with that allow us with the ISO Ps, the steels, the ISO Ms, the ISO Ss, the ISO Ks, Ns. The range is vast.
And when we look at the diameter to length ratios, how's that looking at this moment in time?
So currently we have 3, 5 and 8 times D in diameters 9 to 17.99. But there is a plan to increase that to 10 and 12 times diameter, and also an addition of bringing out a 180-degree flat bottom drill solution in the future.
And as we look, as people look to adopt more and more automation, less human beings stood around these machine tools, how is this drill going to help? And just the final question as well is, what industries are going to adopt a drill such as this one?
The industries that will adopt this type of tool are people that produce an awful lot of holes per component and mass production. And the benefit of this tool is the ability for it to run longer, allows that to stay in the machine for a longer period of time, enabling unmanned production as well.